Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to get free likes on Instagram. How to do it? Very simple. To do this we go to Instagram and now we choose the publication on which we want to get the likes. For example this one. After that we press 3 dots or the submit button and copy the link to that publication. Now we get out of here and go into browser. I go into Safari. Find a site called Hit Insta. This is the site that opens up for you. Now click on this bar and paste the link to our application. Now click I am not a robot and press start. We wait a couple of seconds and now our publication begins to get likes. Now does it work? We have to wait 5 minutes without closing this page. If we wait until the end we get 10 more likes. And we can do that endlessly every 5 minutes. We'll get more likes. That's a great and easy way to do it. Let me wait until the end and show you how many likes we got. I wait 5 minutes and then I go Instagram. Here is my post. I refresh the page and go into notifications. Refresh. And we see that there are new likes from a couple of minutes ago. We click on the post and we see more likes. It's such a great and working way. The link to the site will be in the descriptions below the video. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.